Eliminate the thunder and wind and play your own battle. Hi, this is Primoz Lazar, and that's my success principle for today. It often happens, usually happens all the time, that we are battling toward the wind. So we are running in our life, and all the mess, all the thunder, all these unnecessary things around us are trying to battle us. They're trying to take us down, if we explain it so. But usually is when we start figuring these things out, we start solving the small bits of pieces, there will be an opportunity for us to eliminate it and just not focus on it very much and take it as something that we just need to do, and we will need to play the battle towards ourselves. So we need to fight our own game. We can't play the game of our environment because we can't change it if we don't change what's happening in us. So you will need to just probably put things on the side and figure them out slowly, fix them up slowly, and start playing your own game. Don't pressure yourself with things that can't work, that you don't have control over them. But the only thing you can do is to find yourself, your heart, your highest desires in yourself, and do the job for yourself. Do the hard work for yourself. Manage those things for yourself. Feel good in uncomfortable for yourself. That's the only way you can win the game of life. That's the only way you can win this battle. If you don't blame the wind, if you don't blame the environment, but find the truth in yourself, find something great in yourself that will take you further. And that's how you win the game. Don't blame other things, but do something in yourself. Change something in yourself so you can feel better today. Thanks for listening to me. Enjoy your beautiful sunshine. Bye.